Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are thinking of becoming a RIA money transfer agent in 2025, in this quick video I will explain everything that you need to know in order to get started with that, from requirements to the proper setup. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a physical business location, because RIA only works with the registered storefronts, and then you just have to simply head over to RIA's official website, which is not the riamoneytransfer.com. It is riafinancial.com if you want to apply for an agent. Now over here you need to simply tap on this drop down menu, and from here you need to first of all select your country, and then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the option of become an agent. Now once you do this, you will see this type of form in front of you that requires to add your personal details like your name, your first name, your last name, your email, business, phone number, etc. So you need to provide all of these details. Basically you need to fill out the details in this form, and in the message you can just tell them why you want to become an agent. You can write something catchy. Then you need to simply agree to the terms and conditions, fill out this captcha and submit your request. Now once your request is approved, you will receive their software, their hardware setup instructions and full onboard training. They are going to basically train you, and as a RIA agent you will be able to offer international money transfers. You will be able to increase the foot traffic to your store and earn commission on every transaction. So this is how you can become a RIA agent in 2025. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with your friends and subscribe for more business guides. Thanks for watching.